In modern world, you used to have a big truck fill it with people, which was obviously extremely expensive.
57th edition of the Need for British Tires Score Baja 500.
So you're getting the same amount of productivity and with way less cost doing it this way within Producer because you're able to do it remotely. In the world of off-road, really, this is kind of new. Once we got our logins, we basically just started figuring out how to create our own SRT links, which they get our signals from our trucks to the cloud, and then from the cloud to Producer. Which, for having zero experience, it was extremely forgiving. I would say that's the biggest thing. As this service blows up in the world of what we're doing, it's going to be much easier for people that like us kind of fall right into it. You have full control of everything. When you create your source, you can actually go in and say, hey, this is what I want. This is the latency that I want to set. We try to make our transmission from truck, helicopter to them as fast as possible. We do add some latency just to cover some, if we have any drop packets, there's enough time to kind of resend, because obviously these trucks, they're going 150 miles an hour through the dirt. Then we have, I have a decoder in the helicopter, for instance, so the feeds come out of the trucks, and then I can actually see all of our truck feeds on my monitor. I have my helicopter screen, but then I have all the trucks on it too. So if I know there's an issue, or there's something going on, I can almost kind of direct. We control all of these things through the TVU media panel. It's really, really amazing. For a commentator, it's kind of funny. We actually use it and utilize it in a different way. Mostly when they use it, they actually have sideline reporters just for audio. And we're actually using it from the side of, we can actually throw a phone in someone's hand, send them to a random pit in the middle of nowhere desert, and actually have them, send a feed, like a live feed from pit that goes directly into Producer. And now we have an extra camera angle to cut to. And what's amazing about it, it doesn't need someone that has really any knowledge. You send them a text message, they download the app, they throw it on their phone, and then there you go. It literally logs right in, and it's super easy. This particular race, we're actually integrating our brand new camera packages, and we actually build our own unit from the camera side all the way to Starlink to our transmission that gets it to the cloud. We're sending our feeds from Ensenada, and we actually have people in the States that are actually controlling what we're doing. We've got a person in Chicago that will actually control the cameras themselves. We have the guy that's actually switching our show in Oregon. We've got another group in California that are actually checking graphics, all that kind of stuff. So you're actually taking that big semi truck and you're making it now mobile, and someone can literally do it within the confines of their house or wherever they're at, right? When Starlink came out, I don't think we really knew that, one, you could put it on a helicopter and fly it around, but two, being able to put it on in our trucks and have enough bandwidth to push it to the cloud in real time, literally hook it up and we can run our TVU sources through them, and now we have them right in front of everyone's face. My skill set in cinematography is what has pushed me to create not just a stream, but extremely high-end live show, because that's what I think it should be.